Hi there, and welcome back to my garden. Happy Midsummer, and as usual I'm doing my first potato reveal. On Midsummer, it's tradition to eat new potatoes, and today I'm going to harvest the variety Twister for my new potatoes on Midsummer's evening, and I'm really looking forward to these. New potatoes are always a really nice treat after eating the mature potatoes all winter long. So I'm really looking forward to harvesting and eating these. If you enjoy potato reveals, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe, because I'm going to do many potato reveals over the summer, and I'm going to make a playlist in case you want to only watch the potato reveals from the buckets. They will all be in that playlist. But let's go ahead and harvest. I hope there's something in the bucket. And let's see. At least one potato is here. The plant is not entirely done growing, but there should be a couple new potatoes here, so we get a meal for two in this bucket. I even brought some scales so we can see the weight of the harvest. There we get the seed potato. So it's been 2 seed potatoes in this bucket of 20 liters. 2 seed potatoes usually give me a good harvest, and the plants are not too large, so it gets difficult to water them. So 1 potato per 10 liters of soil is my preferred measure for planting them in buckets. This looks like a nice harvest. I hope I'm finishing the harvest before the rain is coming in. We're having good traditional midsummer weather. It's windy. We get 5 minutes of sunshine and 5 minutes of pouring rain. A grub. I hope it wasn't eating on the potatoes. It really looks like a nice harvest. That's definitely enough for a meal for two. So that's been all of them. And There we go. That's not bad. And I actually brought a bag for weighing them in. And I'm using some fishing scales. We'll see how well they're doing, but I'm not bringing my kitchen scales out into the garden. They need a flat surface or they won't give accurate reading. That's better for garden purpose. So let's see. You can probably read this. I can't. I will have to get this up. 1.2 kilos for an early harvest. That's not bad. And I can see the rain coming. So just in time. Thanks so much for watching. Happy gardening and happy midsummer. Bye.